Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to revise the question answers of the lesson The King's Choice. Okay, as you know, we have done this lesson, The King's Choice. So, moral we have seen the last period to be king is good, but to be kind is better. Okay, to be king is good, and to be kind is better. Now, first question. Write a character sketch of each of the animals. Write about their actions and thoughts and the qualities that emerge through them. You may present the sketch in the form of the graphic. So you have to write the character sketch of the animal. So first we have written character sketch of lion. Lion is the king. See, lion was big and strong and very fierce. All the other animals in the forest called him king. The king promised other animals to give them food and protection. Whenever the king roared, other animals stood in away. Wherever he took a walk, others followed him. The lion was king, also very responsible. When he had his meal, he left remains for others. So they always had enough to eat. So this is about the lion, character sketch of lion. Now next animal is fox. He was wise and clever creature and advisor of Lion King. The fox took an oath of loyalty to the king. The fox took an oath of loyalty to the king. Leopard. He was watchful and swift of the foot and a body of lion and a bodyguard of Lion King. Vulture. He was bird and can fly high in the sky and a messenger of lion. So vulture became the messenger of lion. This is the character. These are the character sketches of each animal. Using your emotion, question number 2. Write more sentences in the same pattern. But the more lion had, the more he wanted. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. To be king is good, but to be kind is better. So these sentences are given, you have to write down the same sentences. So the more you quieten the mind, the more restless it becomes. The more you quieten the mind, the more restless it becomes. Whenever I speak, he interrupts me. Whenever I speak, he interrupts me. It is nice to be important, but it is more important to be nice. It is nice to be important, but it is more important to be nice. Fourth, to live well on earth is good, but to live well is better. To live well on earth is better, but to live well, live means chona. First live means rehna, live. We can see live. To live well on earth is good, but to live well is better. Understood? Turn the story into a play as a group activity and present scenes in the classroom. So you can turn the story. So This is the activity based question. Okay. Now talk about the good qualities of any one person you do not like. Don't you need the name of the person. So don't write the name. Just you have to talk about that. Talk about the good qualities of any one person you do not like. For example, you do not like your batchmate, whatever, whoever. So I'll give one example. I do not like my batchmate in my class as she is very untidy and comes shabbily dressed. However, there are many good qualities in her that I admire. But her dress sense is not good. She's coming very untidy, but she's having so many good qualities that I admire. She is an extremely polite girl. I have seen her go out of her way to help my mother class, to help my other classmates. Sorry. Also, she is very regular in her studies. Beside being a voracious reader, a habit that I long to imbibe in myself. So this is about the question answers. In language study, we have seen the common noun. Common nouns, the type of the nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, singular and plural noun. We have seen their examples also. Okay. In language study, we will see the common noun. Some things, animals, that is, some nouns can be counted. They are called countable nouns. Some common nouns stand for something that cannot be counted. They are called uncountable nouns. Countable nouns have two forms. A noun that shows one person or thing is said to be in the singular. For example, boy, girl, dog, tree, chair. A noun that shows more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural. For example, boys, girls, dogs, trees, chairs. Common nouns. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Common nouns and the types of the common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and singular and plural noun. So what is singular noun? They are, you know that, singular and plural. Okay, boy, girl, dog, tree, chair, these are the singular. But boys, girls, dogs, tree, chair, these are the plural forms. Yes, note the expression. I have told you. A slice of bread, stands of chair, 2 glasses of water, a cup of milk, and a bit of fun. Here, we do not say breads, hairs, waters, milks, funs. That's why it is see here. You have to make 5 countable nouns list from the passage and write their singular and plural forms. I have given you. So this we have discussed 5 countable nouns from the passage. The passage is too big. You have to easily get the five countable nouns, their name. Write their singular and write their plural form. काउंटेबल नाउन्स लिखना है, उसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म और प्लूरल फॉर्म लिखना है आपको. Okay, so list the units that you use to make the following: water, milk, distance, weight. किससे मेजर करते हैं? Water we measure with liter. Okay, like this. Distance we measure with kilometer. How many kilometer? Okay. So in this way we have to write down the units to measure the following: water, milk, distance, and weight. Weight we do in the kgs, kilogram. Okay. So in this way you have to write down all the question answers and revised. Okay. You have to revise all the question answers of this lesson, the King's Choice. Okay. So your homework is revised all the question answers of this lesson, the King's Choice. Okay, the King's Choice. Revised it. So we will stop here. This is a very easy lesson and question answers also very easy. So just read it, revise it. Okay. Bye.